Hey guys, welcome to Ivan's Kitchen, and so today you're going to watch Goa's most popular and traditional recipe, Goan Bolinhas. It is made with fresh grated coconut and semolina, and let's see how to prepare it. First take mixer jar, then add 225 grams fresh grated coconut and grind this until fine. Make sure it is something like this. Then in a bowl add 80 grams butter unsalted, add 240 grams sugar, then whisk this until smooth or until sugar is nicely dissolved. It should change the color. Something like this. Then take 3 eggs and separate the yolk and white. Then add 3 egg yolks in butter mix. Then whisk this for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 250 grams semolina or rava. Then give this a nice mix. Then add the grated fine coconut. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder. Add 1 pinch salt. Then give this nice mix. Then take the egg whites and whisk this until soft peak. Then add the egg whites and give this a mix. Then cover it with cling film. Then rest this overnight or at least 4 to 5 hours. Then apply oil on your palm of your hand. Then shape the bolinhas as shown. It should be something like this. Then place the cookies on baking tray. Then use the back of the spoon to give a cross design. Then bake this at 170 degree for 25 to 30 minutes. So the bolinhas are ready now. Make sure you cool it down before you serve. You can use it as evening tea snack or for any occasions like Christmas. Do try this recipe at home. If you like this recipe, please do hit like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.